Hello, and welcome back to YouTube Keyword Mastery. Today, we've got an exciting case study. How Tesla's YouTube channel is a masterclass in growing a business's presence on YouTube. Let's dive in. Cut to Tesla's YouTube channel. Overview: Tesla isn't just revolutionizing the automotive industry, they're also setting a high bar on YouTube. Let's break down their strategies and see how you can apply these to your channel. Focus on brand identity. First up, brand identity. Tesla's videos embody their ethos of innovation and sustainability. Your takeaway? Align your content with your brand's core values. Consistency is key to building a dedicated audience. High-quality content. Next, the quality of content. Tesla's high production value makes their videos visually compelling. Invest in the best quality you can afford. Remember, quality content can dramatically boost viewer engagement. Leverage industry trends. Tesla stays ahead by aligning with industry trends like focusing on electric vehicles. Stay informed and align your content with industry trends to attract a relevant audience. Educate your audience. Tesla uses their platform to educate about their products and technology. Educational content can establish your brand as a thought leader and add significant value to your viewers. Engage with the community. Tesla builds a community by engaging with their audience. They even feature user-generated content. Engaging with your viewers can create a loyal community around your brand. Optimize for search. SEO is vital. Tesla uses relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags. Effective SEO practices can dramatically improve your visibility in YouTube search results. Consistent posting schedule. Consistency is key. Tesla uploads regularly, keeping their audience engaged. A consistent posting schedule can help retain your audience and attract new subscribers. Tesla's YouTube channel is a fantastic blueprint for any business looking to grow on YouTube. While these strategies are Tesla-specific, they can be adapted to suit any business's unique brand and goals. I hope this case study inspires you to implement these strategies in your YouTube journey. Remember, it's not just about creating content. It's about creating content that resonates with your audience and represents your brand. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to YouTube Keyword Mastery for more insights, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Have any questions or want more case studies like this? Let me know in the comments below.